Alright, alternator is in and installed. Wire is on and tight. Additional earth is good. This is just a bracket. I'll put that on later, no problem. So that's in and mounted. You can get around this massive antenna. Alright, and we come over here. Yeah. Lovely. That's not working. That'll do. Alright. So, the wire is still on. Yep. We're all connected. Everything is as it should be with the battery isolated. Now let's do a test, which I totally didn't do before filming to confirm that I was right. Hold the 12 volts. Oh my god, everything's perfectly fine. So, that's awesome. Really good to know that it was just the alternator, most likely. So what I'll do now is I'll put these terminals back on the battery like that, and I will install these. You know what, no. I'm going to install these onto that positive terminal first. Double, triple confirm that there are no problems here as well, hiding. And then I'll put it all back together and do some testing. And then I'll go through this. I'll have a quick look, see what's going on with the wire. Still can't believe someone did that. It's a green wire that I'm looking for. That's cool. Fried the inside of that alternator. And that is this one, I think. Floating around somewhere. But yeah, the point is we have to figure out where it goes to, what it's doing, and either fix the problem. Maybe it's even just it's meant to be here and it was here, for example. It could have been any number of mistakes that were made. So I have to figure out where it is, what it does, and solve that problem before it becomes another fire hazard. More fun times ahead.